Fishing is a waiting game, quiet, focused, and full of anticipation. A true bite feels alive, sharp tugs or a sudden forceful pull that bends your rod. It's a jolt that travels up your arm, unmistakable and thrilling. The stillness shatters in an instant, and adrenaline floods your body. The moment of truth is brief but electric. Your senses sharpen, and every second counts as you prepare to set the hook. When the bite is real, patience ends and action begins. You react in a split second, instincts taking over as you set the hook. You must shift instantly from stillness to decisive movement. The transition is sudden, but it's what you've been waiting for all along. The fish has made its move, now you respond. The connection is immediate, a tug of war between angler and fish. This is the start of the battle every angler lives for. The struggle is real, and every second is filled with uncertainty and excitement. The connection is real, the adrenaline surges. Your heart pounds as you feel the strength and determination of the fish on the other end. The story beneath the surface is now in your hands. Every twist and turn of the line tells you more about your unseen opponent. The fight is about to begin, and in this moment, you're fully alive, locked in a timeless contest between human and nature. The drag system on your reel is your best ally against a strong fish. Think of it as adjustable brakes. Set too tight, the line snaps; too loose, the fish escapes. Before casting, set the drag to about a quarter of your line's braking strength. The right drag lets the fish run without breaking your line, tiring it out safely. Adjust as needed during the fight, but never ignore it. Mastering drag is key to landing big fish. It's the difference between a story of success and the one that got away. When a big fish runs, let it. Don't try to muscle it in. The instinct to hold tight and force the fish to stop is strong, but resisting that urge is key to landing your catch. If you clamp down or try to overpower the fish, you risk snapping your line or pulling the hook free. The drag system absorbs the shock, protecting your line from snapping. It acts as a buffer, giving the fish room to run while keeping steady pressure. A smooth, well-set drag is your best friend when a trophy fish makes a sudden dash. Think of it like letting a rope slide through your hands to slow a running horse. You're not stopping the power all at once, you're controlling it, letting the energy dissipate gradually. When the fish sprints, keep your rod tip up and let the drag do its work. This helps absorb the shock and keeps the hook secure in the fish's mouth. As the fish tires and pauses, use the pump and reel technique, lower the rod, reel in slack, then lift again. This method lets you gain line efficiently without putting too much strain on your gear. It's a rhythm. Let the fish run, then regain line when you can. Over time, you'll learn to read the fish's movements and anticipate when to give line and when to take it back. This back and forth is the heart of the fight. It's a test of patience, skill, and timing, not just brute strength. You're not overpowering the fish, but outlasting it. The longer the fight, the more the fish tires, and the better your chances of landing it. Controlled pressure wears the fish down. Consistency is key. Steady tension keeps the fish hooked and moving toward you. Without a working drag, you'd lose the fish or break your line. A faulty drag can mean heartbreak at the last moment, so always check your gear before you cast. The line must run so you can win the battle. Letting the fish take line is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of experience and control. Patience and timing are your best tools. Knowing when to hold on and when to let go makes all the difference. Every run brings the fish closer to landing. With each surge, you're one step nearer to that unforgettable moment when you finally bring your catch to hand. Every species fights differently, and recognizing their tactics is key. Trout leap and dart, demanding quick reactions and a loose rod tip during jumps. Catfish dig deep, pulling with steady, stubborn force. Prepare for a slow tug of war. Pike explode with short, violent runs. The giant trevally, or GT, is a true test of angler and gear. When hooked, it explodes with raw power, aiming for sharp reefs to break your line. The first run is brutal. Your drag must be set perfectly to survive. Hold on, absorb the shock, and do everything to steer the fish away from danger. If you turn the GT from the reef, the fight continues with powerful runs and deep circles. There's no finesse, just strength, skill, and relentless pressure. Pump and reel, always ready for another surge. Landing a GT is a badge of honor, proof of preparation and grit. It's the ultimate battle between angler and fish. As the fish tires, keep steady pressure on your line and avoid sudden moves that could snap it or startle the fish. Stay calm and let the fish wear itself out, using the flexibility of your rod to absorb its last bursts of energy. Use a landing net for bigger fish. This helps you land them safely and reduces stress or injury to the fish, especially if you plan to release it. Never risk breaking your rod by lifting heavy catches out of the water. Instead, Support the fish's weight with your net or hands, keeping your equipment safe for future trips. Always stay aware of your surroundings. Slippery rocks, fast currents, and uneven ground can be dangerous if you're not careful. Weather can change quickly, so check the forecast and be prepared for sudden storms or rising water levels. Let someone know your plans before you go, especially if you're fishing in remote areas or unfamiliar waters. Fishing is about respect for the fish, the water, and the experience itself. Master the basics, care for your catch, and always leave your spot cleaner than you found it. Share your stories and knowledge with others, and you'll have memories worth telling for years to come. Every successful catch is a blend of skill, preparation, and a little bit of luck. Patience and respect for nature are just as important as technique. With these tips in mind, you're ready for your next fishing adventure, prepared, safe, and respectful. Tight lines and good luck on the water.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.